So this is me reporting from Hamilton, and this is how the weather condition still is after 2 days. Because I'm using this to, go forward. If I put my feet here, like, ooh, you can see like what the other cars are looking like in this weather. It's not possible to get your car outside from here unless you have like a pickup truck like this. So here's my car. Man, you can see how far I am in. What's the best bet? Get my car out from here and to there and then clean it up. So let's see if it works. It's like a scraping thing I'm doing. Oh my god. Well, this looks clean. So I had to drive my car all the way from there, like with snow on. I drove it here to my nearest open spot where I can't see much snow. This is how it looks. I'm happy. This is my third time in 3 days. And of course, this also happened. This to survive the snow. Let's go!